Didn't you love him? Didn't you try? Didn't you live what you believe? Didn't you promise to fight till you die? Didn't you say you'd never leave?
Rabbi, I failed to be true to the name. The rock that you raised now lies shattered in shame. Can your mercy restore me? Can your love take away my pain? For 3 years I followed, I have answered the call. Now 3 times I've confessed I don't know you at all. Will you ever forgive me? Will you ever trust me again?
Couldn't you take it? Couldn't you stand? Couldn't you last just one more day? Couldn't you make it? Fight like a man? Why did you throw it all away?
You called me Peter, you called me the rock. I called you Messiah, the chosen of God. I can be strong, I'll be true to the name. You taught us forgiveness, now I stake my claim.
Didn't you love him?
Oh Rabbi, I'm yours. I repent of my sin.
Didn't you live what you believe? Didn't you promise
From this moment